Here are some tips on how to get cheap car insurance. Shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurers. This is the most important step in getting cheap car insurance. Don't just go with the first company you see. Take the time to compare quotes from a variety of insurers to find the best deal. Consider your driving record. Your driving record is one of the biggest factors that insurers use to determine your rates. If you have a clean driving record, you'll likely be able to get a lower rate than someone with a history of accidents or tickets. Choose the right coverage. Don't buy more coverage than you need. The more coverage you buy, the higher your rates will be. Make sure you understand the different types of coverage available and choose the level of coverage that's right for you. Take a defensive driving course. Taking a defensive driving course can help you improve your driving skills and reduce your risk of accidents. This can lead to lower car insurance rates. Increase your deductible. Increasing your deductible can help you save money on your car insurance premium. However, you need to make sure that you can afford to pay the deductible if you need to file a claim. Bundle your insurance policies. If you have multiple insurance policies, such as home and auto insurance, you may be able to save money by bundling them together. Get a multi-policy discount. Many insurers offer a discount for customers who have multiple policies with the same company. Be a good driver. The best way to get cheap car insurance is to be a good driver. This means driving safely, obeying the laws, and avoiding accidents. If you can do this, you'll be well on your way to getting a lower rate on your car insurance. Here are some additional tips that may help you save money on car insurance. Consider your age and gender. In general, younger drivers pay more for car insurance than older drivers. Men also tend to pay more than women. Consider your car's make and model. Some cars are more expensive to insure than others. This is often due to the car's safety features, its popularity among thieves, and its repair costs. Consider your location. The cost of car insurance can vary depending on where you live. This is often due to the number of accidents and the cost of living in the area. Consider your credit score. Some insurers use credit scores to determine your rates. If you have a good credit score, you may be able to get a lower rate. Consider your annual mileage. If you don't drive a lot, you may be able to get a lower rate on a low mileage policy. It's important to note that not all of these tips will work for everyone. The best way to find out how to save money on car insurance is to shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurers.